All right, now we're going to actually show you how to use the machine tracking feature. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. You need to make sure you're the launderer, and you need to click on the launderer list. That's going to show you all of the orders, all the wash and fold orders that need to be laundered. We're going to be working on order number 462. So we grab it from shelf 112, we put it in the wash machine, and then we go ahead and hit laundering just like we always have. So here's what's new. We've got this add washer feature. So let's go ahead and add a washer. So we're going to go ahead and click add washer. Now you need to choose which washing machine you're going to use. So you simply tap right here where it says choose washer, and you can choose any washer you want. And it's a very smart select. So if I hit W, it'll only show the ones that start with W. And I'm going to do W1. Now it shows only one with W1. And the starting price is $2.50. So it knows that because when we set up that machine, we knew that the starting cost was $2.50. But let's go ahead and say we choose to do hot water. In that case, I'm going to do, which is 25-cent option. I'm going to go ahead and hit $2.75 and hit save amount. All right, well, it turns out there's a second machine we need to use for this order because it's a big order. So I'm going to go ahead and hit add washer again. We could choose the washer. I'm going to do W6. So this is a big machine, so it's $4.50. And I'll go ahead and hit the green button to save the amount. All right, so now we finished loading up the machines in the washing machines, and now we're ready to go ahead and dry this order. So we put them in the dryer, and I'm going to go ahead and hit drying. And now this order is in the dryer. So we need to now go ahead and hit add machine or add dryer. And once again, we need to choose the dryer. So it's super, super easy to use. I'm going to go ahead and put in dryer 1, and it's $1.25. And we could go ahead and add another dryer. We'll do dryer number 2, $1.25 again. Let's say it turns out this dryer, the clothes are still not dry. So I could go ahead and edit it, and I could just hit the plus sign, which allows you to, which makes it so it's an extra quarter, or we could put in 50 cents. So now we put $1.75 total into dryer number 1, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit save the amount. All right, and the other nice part is it even tells you which washing machines you used. So if you have a shift change, this makes it that much easier for the next attendant to know exactly where order 462 is. It was in machines W1 and W6. All right, so now we finished drying the order. We're ready to go ahead and hit complete. And now it's just like it was before. You go ahead and complete the order, and meanwhile it tracked which washing machines you used and which dryers you used and how much money was spent on this order. And the next video is going to show you the reports, which is going to be pretty fascinating.